CoinPoker launches $1 million tournament series. Will CPH GameFi token explode? That's what we're talking about today. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a look at a very exciting token with some crazy potential that you're absolutely not going to want to miss out on. GameFi is a small section on CoinMarketCap that's gaining rapid potential and a ton of growth. We can see the top gaming tokens by market capitalization. We have over $500 million worth of market cap, which in theory is very small. With less than $10 million of volume, sometimes this is literally market cap of just one meme coin. But there is a lot of potential here. Other than Rollbet, all these coins are super small cap and you're not going to want to miss out on. Today's token we're specifically talking about is CoinPoker. Bring the game back to the players. And again, super cool how they're launching this massive $10 million series that you're not going to want to miss out on. If you know a bit of poker, you know it's a skilled based game, and this game allows you to play with the real users around the world. However, like most of the tokens in this category, CoinPoker is so small on this list. We can see CoinPoker all the way down over here. When we look at the price, we can see it's trading for roughly 6 cents. It has a $16 million market cap, which is absolutely nothing. This could pop off, especially now that we're entering the bull market and more crypto adoption is taking place. A lot of people are going to want to use gaming in the mix. And now with CoinPoker doing this massive incentive to incentivize players to use their platform, and they're using this token, we're imagining this is what's going to cause it to boom. CHP is named after its decentralized poker site, similar to how Rollbitcoin is named after Rollbit. CPH falls under the same small but growing section of CoinMarketCap. So it runs on Polygon and it's only on one DEX, QuickSwap, and can be bought and sold under CoinPoker's client and app itself. When looking at the chart, we can see it has a multi-year uptrend, especially after its original ICP sell-off, which is really typical in a coin. However, when we look at all now, we can see some growth's been taking place. We've been entering kind of a bearish market the past couple of days, or I should say weeks now, but looks like CHP is about to make a swift recovery. Looks like this could be a bottom of a basing pattern, and we anticipate it to pop off. You're not going to want to miss out on this one. Its value is linked to its growing numbers of people wanting to use crypto play games like poker, with the number of players on the site and its utility linked to its player earning rake back as they play, a kickback from the rake they pay in poker hands. CoinPoker has built a good reputation over the years as one of the best crypto sites to play at, especially popular with Americans who can't access many poker sites in their state. Anyone globally that prefers anonymous sites, you only need an email and phone number to set up an account plus a crypto wallet. Obviously, that's how you're gonna obviously exchange funds. And again, the website's very cleanly designed. CHP is a native cryptocurrency of CoinPoker, giving you multiple advantages when you hold on your account. Why CoinPoker? Easy to access, available on mobile, community centric, player promotion, 100% decentralized. If you're ready to start, you can sign up and download now. And again, guys, with a ton of tournaments in place, you're not going to want to miss out on this one. Create a free account, download, install, and start playing. It's that easy. A lot of partners, they've been seen in a bunch of different places, and a very clean UI developed by an ambitious team of poker lovers. CoinPoker is a revolutionary blockchain technology based platform that uses USDT stablecoin as its main in-game currency and CHP as a bonus fuel, offering benefits of crypto world alongside instant and secure transactions using USDT, ETC, BTC, or CHP tokens, and no KYC checks. The privileges our players get, together with huge promotions, give away thousands in fiat of value each week. CHP is a current of CoinPoker economy. It provides players with exclusive benefits and supports future development delivered to our community. And again, community, that's everything with a project this big. Especially, again, this is not just a meme coin or an altcoin. This is literally a utility token for a popular gaming website. Some key features I have to highlight real quick before we close off the video is it has a 33% rake back, which is very competitive. Some of the big sites like PokerStar and Bet Online don't pay any rake back at all, instead giving players an occasional bonus, which CoinPoker offers on top as well as a rake back. So they got rake back plus bonuses. CoinPoker has paid out over $1 million in rake backs in USDT in players over the years, with one of the highest rake back percentages out there. Let's take a look at one of their current welcome bonuses that we'll obviously link in the description below. So CoinPoker welcome bonus, huge welcome bonus. So $100, $300, $700, a total of $1,100. So 100% up to $100. So you deposit $100 to get a $100 bonus. Then Deposit $300 to get a $300 bonus, and then deposit $700 to get a $700 bonus. Unlock your potential with these 3 incredible 100% welcome bonuses of $100, $300, and $700. Sign up now to make your first deposit to get your $1,100 in bonus cash. 3 bonuses are available, maximum of $1,100. You can only have 1 active deposit bonus at any given time. If you clear the bonus completely, you can claim another bonus offer and make a qualifying deposit. How to claim your bonuses and how to clear your bonuses as well. It's super cool. I love how it's obviously mixing gamification and crypto, but also incentivizing the community with your bonuses and the rakebacks, which is absolutely massive, that nobody else in the space is really doing. The CSOP started a few days ago and it runs till April 28th, covering 41 tournaments in a mix of games, including No Limit Hold'em and Pot Limit Ohama, a combine of a $1 million USDT in guaranteed prize pool. That means if even not enough players enter the tournament, CoinPoker will still guarantee a certain amount of prize money, which can create an overlay where it becomes much more profitable to enter the tournament if not many players register. So the main example for 100K guaranteed prize pool with 4 places paid, 40K to the winner, 30K to second place, 20K to third, and 10K to fourth. That takes place just after midnight on the 28th with a buy-in of $500 USDT to play. So far, 16 players are registered, and 16 times 1500 is only 8,000 USDT. It would need 2,000 players each buying in at $500 to hit its planned prize pool, but CoinPoker will pay the amount of money regardless. So if that doesn't make sense, they basically have a $100,000 guaranteed prize pool. So far, only 16 people have registered, right? And regardless of how many people registered, they're gonna have the $100,000 distribution, right? And an example we use of 40K, 30K, 20K, 10K. Run the math, right? It's absolutely insane. There's huge overlay adding to incentives to join. A lot of players join last minute. So there's a huge overlay adding to the incentives to join. A lot of players join in last minute, though once they see that overlay, and there's a couple hours of late registrations as well as once the tournament starts. We can even see CoinPoker on many different websites and articles. CoinPoker site, CoinPoker launches its $1 million guaranteed tournament series. Will CPH gamified token explode? And that's what people are anticipating. Friday, April 19, 2024, in a significant move for GameFi, CoinPoker has launched a $1 million guaranteed tournament series as a part of effort to supercharge its native token CHP. So we see the CSOP is live right now. It started on the 19th till the 28th, 10 days with 41 active events, record-breaking prize pool of $1 million alongside $10,000 in added value, buy-ins from $20 to $5,000, GTDs from $1,000 to $200,000. This coin could really explode. Guys, if all these people are going to be joining in to receive these incentives and buying into the token, this project has a massive upside potential that you're absolutely not going to want to miss out on. Now, taking a look at some of the stakes, the highest stakes at the tables are 1,000 to 2,000, as a small blind of 1,000 USDT and a big blind of 2,000 USDT. Plus, there's usually an ant and straddle, which are ways to make the pot even bigger before the cards are even dealt to make sure there are fireworks. On Sunday night, for example, there was $100,000 to $300,000 USDT pots, which are tracked on the largest poker forums. This is one of the largest forums for this kind of stuff, guys, and we can see all of it is tracked here, which is absolutely insane. That is a lot of money on the table. The site owner, Tony G, who is a bit of a celebrity in the poker scene, took down the pot with 2 pairs, aces and jacks, against his entire opponent's lower 2 pair. This all went down after CoinPoker tweeted that Tony G will be playing in some $25,000 buy-in tournaments at high-stake cash games. And this was the actual Twitter post we can see here, right? Tony G's 2 $25,000 tournaments, absolutely insane. It looks like he's a legend in the poker space. So why buy and hold CHP? GameFi is still quite undervalued in the crypto space, and CoinPoker is starting to get more and more attention in 2024 with its latest promotions like the crypto series of poker and its high stake action. We've been seeing CoinPoker pop up on Google News, YouTube, CoinMarketCap communities, more and more articles lately. And as players are joining the site and more holders of CHP token, which should boost the price of this coin and raise its market cap. And it may also get listed on decentralized exchange listings, and again, we know how massive that could be for a crypto token. PokerCoin does have other games as well, which we can't get into, unfortunately, for YouTube guidelines, but those may attract some of the rollback user base as well. A platform whose native token has come close to $1 billion worth of market cap at its all-time highs. So again, guys, we're trying to bring you the latest, the greatest, the best in the crypto space, and looks like CoinPoker is following in those footsteps. Make sure you check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and link it in the description below, and let me know how you feel about CoinPoker in the comment section below. That wraps the video. Like always, not financial advice, always do your own research and due diligence. And until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.